Change is inevitable, whether it's life, the seasons, or anything else. Change in species is called evolution. The Anolis carolinensis, or the green anole, evolved within 15 to 20 generations only. It is found in Georgia, North Carolina, and its lifestyle is arboreal. This means that it lives in trees. But how and why did it exactly evolve? It evolved due to an invasive species that was from Cuba. They were actually very similar and actually were relatives. This was the brown anole. When the brown anole was introduced to North Carolina with the green anole, this caused some problems because of their similarities. They were similar in their appearance, habits, diet, etc. However, the green anole evolved, got stickier and wider toe pads, it started perching higher up in trees, and this was all because of character displacement. Character displacement is when two similar species interact negatively in the same environment for food or space. This leads to an evolutionary change in one of the species. In this case, the brown anoles won, leaving the green anoles to evolve and suit a different niche. However, this is not the only reason for evolution. Evolution is also caused by germline mutations, in which the changes are in the genes, and they're usually small, but sometimes they can be large. For example, before mutation, the bases were UAC and GGU, making the proteins tyrosine and glycine. But after the mutation, the bases were UCC and GGU, making the proteins serine and glycine. There are three main causes and effects of germline mutations. The first is that the DNA isn't copied correctly and there is an error in the sequence. This means that a base has mutated and it can lead to a change in the protein made. This can be harmful at times. Another reason are external influences, like chemicals and radiation. The last cause is chemical instability between purines and pyrimides, A, C, G, and U. There can be three main effects. The first, that there is no change in the phenotype. The next is slight change. And the last is big and prominent change in the phenotype. This can kill the organism at times. As you can see, the green anoles survived natural selection by mutations. And now their population is spreading a lot. Thank you.